Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Patod or patoda, whatever you would like to call it, is a special Rajasthani dish. This recipe can be made during Paryushan. So let's begin. Let's start with mixing gram flour with water. So I have 1 cup of gram flour here. Into this, I'm going to add 3 cups of water. But add it slowly so that you get rid of all the lumps. Let's add in some more water. In case there are a few lumps left and your batter is not nicely mixed, you could always use the hand blender to break all the lumps. This is done. Into this, I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste. Give this a mix. And now let's turn on the flame. Medium to low heat is what you need to cook this on. Keep stirring continuously, and we need to cook this till the mixture is nicely thick, so it will take about 5 to 7 minutes. The mixture has nicely become thick. Make sure you keep stirring it continuously and also reduce the flame. This will take about another 2 to 3 minutes to cook. So I've cooked this for about a total of 8 minutes, and now I'm going to remove it in a greased tray. You can even remove it in a steel plate or something. Let's spread this quickly before it cools down, and now let it cool down for about 10 to 12 minutes before we cut it into pieces. This is nicely cooled down, and now I'm going to cut it into square pieces. Just separate it from the sides first. And let's cut it into square pieces. Separate the pieces out. Now, time to do the tadka. Heat around 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, let's add in a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Into this, let's add in 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of hing or Asafoetida. Let's quickly add all the seasoning ingredients. 2 tablespoons of sauf or Red powder, basically fennel seeds, coriander and cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder. Give this a mix. Into this, let's quickly add in the patod pieces. Toss them very carefully since they are very delicate. And now into this, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of coarsely ground peanuts. Just at the end, add a pinch of salt. Just enough for the peanuts, basically. This is done, and let's turn off the flame. There's also a gravy version that you can make with this, but since it's Paryushan, we cannot do that. So I've made it dry so you can eat it as a snack or as a side dish with your meal. So do try this at home, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.